Hi guys, Chris here from MWC. I bring you the LG G8, the ThinQ. So this is their new mobile that is smaller than the V50 ThinQ that I just looked at. Check the channel for that one. So this has a 6.1 inch P OLED screen in it, QHD resolution, so it's 3120 by 1440. It is running Android 9, and it does have, of course, LG skin on this with some familiar looking icons that do look a little bit like the ones that Samsung has. They're very similar there. Now the performance, well, Snapdragon 855, so it should be fast. It's going to have 6 gigabytes of RAM, I think, and 128 gigabytes of storage. Now the battery capacity is also less than the V50. This one only has 3050 milliamp hours. Now the build, it does feel good in hand, but we have those rather large looking bezels now for 2019 standards, especially when you take a look at other manufacturers and what they are putting out. So the bottom chin isn't too bad, but the side bezel is just a little bit thicker there. And then of course we have the notch at the top. Now within that notch we have an 8 megapixel camera with an f1.7 aperture. And the camera's on the rear. So with the Korean version you get 3 cameras. You get a wide lens which is 16 megapixels, but we don't with this version. So this is going to be the European version. So the main camera is 12 megapixels with an f1.5 aperture, so that's exactly the same as the V50 ThinQ, that camera. And then we get a 12 megapixel wide camera. It has the Hi-Fi DAC on it, so it's going to have excellent audio quality, and it keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really great to see. It feels very light. It's only 167 grams, which is really good. And the fingerprint reader is located on the rear, so it's not an in-screen one. And overall, it's a nice looking phone. The screen's bright, but I think the V50 ThinQ is probably the one to go for. It just feels a bit better, and of course it will have much better battery life with an extra capacity there. It's got the extra 500 milliamp hours. Thank you so much for watching my very quick hands-on here with the LG G8 ThinQ. Please do subscribe for more MWC coverage. Bye for now.